So disruption that's happening currently in the industry is multifold. As consumers have become digitally engaged, they have to look at things differently as how they're approaching the customer.
Our retail customers are dealing with an industry trend that's proving to be pretty challenging, and that is that the consumer now wants to be able to either order online and pick their groceries and general merchandise up at the store, have it delivered to their car, or even more challenging, have it delivered directly to their home. And they order frozen products like ice cream. They want that frozen when they pick it up. So we're providing them solutions where they're able to provide that complete package to their customer. Large retailers changed the retail industry landscape. They're now gearing their stores and their services towards providing this click and collect solution.
And so KPS Global fits into the click and collect model because we have, from the start, on the design side of it, whether it's surveying sites, we have the ability to take an experienced staff out to your site, ascertain the right information, what are the challenges, what is the area that you need to go into, and what do you need to be able to do to be able to pull that off.
So the types of technology that we're seeing retailers starting to deploy is really multifold from the standpoint of they're responding to what the customer demand is. What we've done is we've developed a solution that allows people to come directly to the front of the store and be able to pick up things themselves, or they can go to an off-site location or a co-located location to do a pickup. Robotics are deployed where needed, and in many cases the robotics are really doing the repetitive tasks that you really don't want to have mistakes happening. What we do is we work with the robotics where they're using RFID, barcode technology, things that eliminate mistakes from happening and ensure that there is consistency in delivery.
One of the advantages that KPS Global brings to our customers is that we're able to work with them from the very beginning when it comes to designing and engineering their click and collect solution. We then manufacture the equipment, deliver it, install it, and get it up and running for them. We offer a complete turnkey solution.
So the way we try to partner up with companies like KPS is we have a customer that's come to us, a retailer that's come to us and said, hey, we have this concept. And then we go out and we try to understand what their concept is. And in this particular case, we've partnered up with KPS because they're the specialist in this space. At the end of the day, the customer has a great experience with the overall solution, but at the same time, the retailer is experiencing the increased efficiency and reduced overall expense.